Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Booking.com, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start budgeting with Booking.com, visit the website or open the mobile app. Log into your existing account or create a new one if necessary. Once you're logged in, enter your travel destination and select your travel dates. Click on the search button to view available accommodations. On the results page, use the filters to set your budget range. Adjust the price slider to ensure you only see options within your budget. You can further refine your search by selecting amenities that matter to you. After applying your filters, browse through the available listings. Take note of the prices and any additional fees that may apply. Click on a property to view more details, including cancellation policies and guest reviews. Once you find a suitable option, proceed to the booking section. Here, review the total cost, including taxes and charges. If everything looks good, enter your payment information and confirm your booking. Consider making use of Booking.com's Genius program for potential discounts. Keep track of your budget by noting your bookings in a spreadsheet or budgeting app. Remember to compare prices and read reviews before finalizing your decision. Review your itinerary regularly to ensure you stay within your budget. By using these steps, you'll efficiently manage your travel expenses with Booking.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.